Good morning, guys. In front of me is DOOGEE DK10, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open New Message, and once you've got your keypad here, click on Settings icon. Select Languages, mark plus, choose the language that you want to use your device in. Tap on Done. Now, if you want to remove some language smoothly, click on Edit, mark the unnecessary language and mark bin icon, then go back. And here you've got the languages. Smoothly by tapping on word icon you can switch between them. Mark settings, and if you want to have one language only, remove the unwanted one, go back, and this word icon is no longer here, and you've got access to one language only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.